Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your school group, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make your school community that's private and turn it into a public group? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make your private school group public anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that getting new users can be difficult, and by making your group public, it can be found by search engines. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your school group home screen. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my school group, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn it from a private group into a public group, here on the right side, you're going to click on the settings button. Once you do that, you're going to be in the settings area of your school community, and you want to be sure to click on this button here, general. Okay, once you click on general, you're going to scroll down until you see these two buttons, private and public. Now they do show you the difference between having a private school community and a public community. So basically with private, only your users are going to be able to search through the information. But if you want to make it public, you're going to click here on public. Before you do this, make sure that you're not going to cause an issue with your current members, especially if you guys are discussing private matters or private issues. But if you're okay with that, click on public. All right, next you should see this pop up, changes saved. So now my school community is public. It could be searched by anybody, whether they are members or not. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn your private school community into a public group, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.